brake and is returned to the vehicle. Towards NAI-1 at this time. Vehicle and is walking north. The target is on some sort of handheld device. His arms are not swinging. The individual entered the fort. We believe that we saw him pass through, looks like a pair of gatehouses, and then a main building oriented north-south, two-story building with a small extension on the north side and chimneys on the east side. Walking again, currently trending east. East point of this pentagon-shaped fort. 5 feet, uniform spa, 780136, west 3 kilometers. Apex 1, 0. We got a squirter right now heading north. Quad 1s. Affirmative, 2 buildings east-west. There is a center building in between, looks like a long building east-west, a square building with an overhang and some connexes to the south. Call contact. For tasking. On the tunnel. Tunnel, 500 meters south of the building, ready for fighter brief. And brake, Venom, can you confirm that we're on your tunnel? Knock it off, knock it off, knock it off. We've got a return link loss. The return link sour, or comm sour. We're knock it off, knock it off, knock it off. I will text you. And complete the scenario. I thought the scenario was great. I appreciate the work, and we'll see you when you guys get back in. Have a great lunch.